closes out. We have Music Quest. Jumps for the lead. Moving up on the outside now comes entry number 9, Sandoka. In the middle portion comes entry number 6, Expediter. Passing before the judge stand for the first time as solo leader, Music Quest by about 6 lengths. Expediter in the middle, moving up Danari inside his fly, Aday fly, Sandok about 7 wide comes Bronte, sneaking Danari inside comes Nikos in charge, Tanging Ikaw, Binget second last, and Heart of the Wind last of all as they swing. Down the back, Music Quest by about 7 lengths. Expediter now moving up to take second. Fly, Aday Fly is racing in third. Moving up on the outside now is Bronte. Tanging Ikaw is racing in fifth. Down in 6, Nikos in charge. Then followed by Binget. Next on line, Sandok and Heart of the Wind. Music Quest this time shortening the gap to about 4 lengths. Then coming closer now in second is Expediter, together with Fly, Aday Fly. Tanging Ikaw is racing in fourth, moving up on the outside as they come down the last 200. Music Quest still in front by about 3 lengths. Fly, Aday Fly now in second, moving up on the outside. Expediter, last 150. Music Quest, Fly, Aday Fly. Expediter is on the outside. Music Quest, Fly, Aday Fly is on the outside, and finally it's a close finish. Fly, Aday Fly, Music Quest. Then comes Expediter.
Yes, indeed. We have a photo finish for race number 12.
Ang oras?
1:41 sarado.
19, 26, 26 and a half, 29 and a half. At naganap yan sa oras na alas 8:45 according to Ira Herrera.
May photo finish po tayo dito. Huwag munang magpupunit ng ticket. Huwag munang magtatapon ng ticket. Pwedeng gawing scratch yan mamaya.
Pag hindi na nalo, pwede nga gamitin pantaya.
Ito ang ating ISOCAM kung saan lang natutukan ay si Bronte.
Dikit-dikit sila dyan eh. Nauuna itong si
Music Quest.
Ang tanong, aabutan ba o hindi?
Si Binget, oh. Abot. Si Bronte, parang out of contention na dito. So, i-ship na natin ang ating tutok dito sa naunang si Music Quest. FR Santos. Tama ba? MF Reyes.
Selo.
Parang pwede na magdesisyon.
Mali ang teoring mo.
O bakit?
This slow-mo replay is brought to you by Katialis Ointment and Medicated Soap. Para sa kutis na totoong malinis, makinis at walang skin disease, gamitin lagi ang Katialis.
Dito, tignan mo sa slow-mo, ha. 1, Music Quest. 2, Fly, Aday Fly. Sige nga. Sige nga. I-apply mo yung formula. Ano?
Ano ba talagang formula mo?
Laging lamang ang 2 sa 1.
Akala ko laging 1